Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and getting to accessibility. If Talkback responds, use two-finger swipe to scroll and single tap to select. Double tap activates. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Accessibility, then find Talkback. Make sure you tap once to focus items, then double tap to enter the Talkback menu. This avoids accidental activations. You're now positioned to change the Talkback toggle without fumbling through voice feedback. Keep a calm, deliberate pace as you proceed. You'll now turn Talkback off from its control. After opening the Talkback settings, single tap the on/off switch to focus it, then double tap to change state. This is how you interact while Talkback is running. If your device offers a volume key shortcut, press both volume keys together to trigger disable. Follow the on-screen confirm sequence with single tap, then double tap. Make sure to watch for a confirmation dialog and complete the double tap to apply the change, which stops voice feedback immediately. You're finishing up. Confirm Talkback reads disabled in accessibility. If the toggle won't switch, restart the phone and retry the single tap then double tap sequence, because a reboot clears transient issues. If Talkback still persists, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset Options and choose Reset Accessibility Settings. This restores defaults without erasing personal data. One key troubleshooting tip: if you can't interact, plug in a USB or Bluetooth keyboard and use Tab/Enter to navigate and disable Talkback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.